How would you feel if your boss came up to you and asked you to stay late after work every night so that you could clean your office space or store where you work? You wouldn't like that at all. That's why we need to have a commercial cleaning company come in and do that work for us after we've worked a hard day. We are proposing to open a commercial cleaning business. There are billions of square feet of office space, commercial buildings, stores, retail, etc., that do need to have cleaning done. And the employees just shouldn't have to do that after hours. We would be offering nightly or after hour cleaning as well as day services for common areas and bathrooms and the such, and also offering maintenance plans for light bulbs and small maintenance items that companies may need. We have many retail spaces here and just not enough janitorial companies to do it all. So I think that we would fulfill a great need in doing that for companies in our area. Thank you.